like Salman Khan movies. उनका जो थिएटर में देखने का मजा होता है, you don't get it when you're sitting alone in your bedroom, and if you're watching it on your TV, it's
Definitely.
not the same fun. So the whole theater experience that one has in India, uh, which is also quite unique to India actually, because I've never seen this sort of a craze for like Hollywood films, French cinema,
Yeah.
European cinema. It's very like the very serious cinema goers.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani and today I'm very excited and happy to be chatting with Malvika Mohanan for her upcoming film Master. So, hi Malvika, welcome to Peeping Moon.
Hi, Rashita.
Hi.
Thank you for having me.
Welcome. So, Malvika, as you already know, there's so much buzz surrounded, with Master is. And there are people who are waiting, there are artworks, and there are hashtags trending. How do you feel about all of this?
It's quite exciting. It's very interesting because I've never really been a part of a film which has had this much hype. It's crazy. Like they put out, like on Twitter, they put out one update about the film and it starts trending nationwide. It starts trending on social media. Um, so yeah, I mean, it's the amount of spotlight that's there on this film. It's quite insane.
Yeah. And I was just going through your Instagram, and whenever you put an update out there, like comments, and people are so excited to know about your role also. So, if you can a little bit tell me about your role.
So my character is a young professor. The film starts off, against a backdrop. The story unfolds against this backdrop of this whole college, where all the characters are. And I'm this young new professor who's joined the college. And Vijay sir is a part of the same college as well. So it starts off there. It starts off against this whole setting. That's where the characters all get introduced to each other. That's where like you see a little bit of who Vijay sir is through my eyes, like that's how the story unfolds. Like who is he? What does he do? Why is he the way he is? And then the rest of the film is carried forward by what happens eventually, like one incident that leads to the next. So it's such a plotline, storyline heavy film that I don't know what more to say without really like giving away much about the film. But it's a mass entertainer. It's got something in it for everyone. It's a family film. It's got action sequences. It's got like these really super fast car chases. It's got love. It's got drama. It's got everything. Amazing songs. So it's an entertainer. It's an out and out entertainer.
That's great. And, with a film that's filled with acclaimed actors, like not only the lead, I think the supporting cast is also amazing. So when there are people that you're working with who everyone, there is something to learn from everyone, I feel. So how was your experience as an actor on set?
Um, it was it was so the whole crew, most of the cast and crew is extremely, very young. Like everybody's in their between like their mid 20s to their mid 30s. That's the age bracket for like 95% of the crew. As a result of which there was this really young fun energy on set. And even while even like the creatives, even doing a scene, even doing a shot, even performing, it was, there's like a certain rawness that comes with like working with a lot of young people, like a lot of new
Definitely.
ideas, a lot of new, like an exciting way, like so much excitement about every little thing, that happens when it's a young crew. So that's what this film was like. And we had such a great time shooting it. We had such a great time creatively being involved in this film. And even off the film we were like, hanging out every day and chilling together, getting to know each other. So I think it's the most fun I have had on any film I've done so far.
Okay. And of course, 2020 was a year where the pandemic hit us and the theaters were shut. But even then, now that we are gearing back to normal, your film is, of course, releasing in theaters. So I know that a lot of actors tell this to me that, watching yourself in that big screen, it's a different feeling altogether. It can't match with the web release. So, what is your point of view like? Does the platform matter?
I mean, a platform always matters, it does. And it's also like in India, we also make a lot of films where it's like the focus is so much on entertainment, on the whole experience of watching a film,
Yeah.
apart from the content of it, you know. So, like, which is why all these big commercial movies, like Salman Khan movies.
Hmm.
उनका जो थिएटर में देखने का मजा होता है, you
Yeah.
don't get it when you're sitting alone in your bedroom, and if you're watching it on your TV, it's
Definitely.
not the same fun. So the whole theater experience that one has in India, uh,
Hmm.
which is also quite unique to India actually, because I've never seen this sort of a craze for like Hollywood films, French cinema,
Yeah.
European cinema. It's very like the very serious cinema goers. Like Indians love their entertainment and their masala and
Yeah.
massiness and all of that. And Master is one of those movies which needs to be like celebrated. You go with like a bunch of friends, you go with your family, you watch
Yeah.
the film, and it's this whole infectious energy that's there around you. And it definitely won't be the same if you watch it in your house. So we're glad that it's getting a theatrical, that it didn't come out on OTT. It wasn't going to ever anyway.
Yeah.
um so it's finally coming out, and it's India's first big release post the lockdown. Because I don't think Bollywood has had any big release, so far. And this is South India's biggest release. It was supposed to be the biggest release of 2020, and now 2021. So yeah, we're excited, and let's see how it goes.
Okay. And Malvika, I actually saw Masaba Masaba, and when the last two episodes came in, where you make a cameo in, I think you stole the show and you were in it, and your whatever the plot was that you were in, it just shined. So you tell me, that was a web release, and are you also looking forward to doing more of web projects as of course, the lead?
Oh well, that was a cameo because
Yeah.
it was produced by a close friend. The director is a close friend. So Kiara and I did a cameo,
Yeah.
because we knew them well. It obviously wasn't a role. I haven't done anything in web so far. I'm
Yeah.
obviously open to the idea because I feel web also like having a Netflix or Amazon film or series gives you so much more freedom with the content, because you
Definitely.
don't have to resort to any formulaic filmmaking where you need a song, where you need like
Hmm.
action scene. Like you don't need to do any of that. It's purely about the storytelling, which I think is amazing, and I would love to do it. It's just that I don't, I have two feature films I'm doing back to back right now, so maybe eventually.
So you have entered 2021 with a bang, with Master releasing very soon. So what is it like? Like, there is so much love that is being poured in right now, and the film is of course yet to release. So what is it like? Excited, nervous?
Yeah, in fact, 2021 has started off on a very exciting note because I think yeah, like 2nd of January is when promotions began for me. So it was diving right into work, which is not what 2020 was like, because we were all just
Yeah.
sitting at home with our, brains fried, and
Yeah.
just it was such an uninspiring, just emotionally heavy year,
Yeah.
because of the pandemic. So it feels like a really good start to 2021, and it's very exciting that the film's releasing, as soon as the year has begun. So yeah, it's touch wood, it's great so far.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Malvika, for chatting with me. All the very best. Looking forward to watching you on the big screen.
Thank you, really nice chatting with you.
Same here. Bye bye.